Should we reset when we're at M&H maybe?
That's a good idea.
We could run in and get a bag of carrots.
Or something.
Well, it's Friday night and Bob's in his ride. Pat's in the passenger along for the drive. They're patrolling St. Paul, feeling big and mean, talking about snacks that are healthy and lean. Bob says, Pat, let's grab some carrot sticks. Pat not slow, but his mind plays tricks. They're dreaming of cheesy wieners stacked high with fudge-covered Twinkies and a Mountain Dew side. Oh, Bob and Pat, they're slow on the chase. They drive around town at a leisurely pace. They flash their lights, but the bad guys flee. It's hard to catch crooks with no urgency. Down west and Pat, they're slow on the chase. Driving around town at a leisurely pace. They flash their lights, but the bad guys flee. It's hard to catch crooks with no urgency.
No longer have them in sight.
Down west 7th by McGovern place, they spot an SUV, it's a real disgrace. Two ladies walking, looking kinda stressed. Bob squints his eye, says they're in distress. They flip on the reds, they're ready to fight. The SUV peels off into the night. Hold on, Pat, we're hot on his trail, but the gas pedal's slow and their eyesight fails.
No longer have them in sight.
They're losing the race. Every high-speed pursuit ends up in disgrace. They're driving like grandpas, taking their time while the crooks hit 80, they're at 35. Circle back, Pat, let's retrace our tracks. The girls must know something or we're out of snacks. But the ladies just shrug, we don't know the guy. He gave us a ride, then told us goodbye.
No longer have them in sight.
Pat scratches his head, Bob's deep in thought. But the stolen SUV, it's already forgot. They head to M&H, their pride in tatters. Dreaming of Twinkies, cause that's what matters. Oh, Bob and Pat, the streets know their game. The crooks get away, but snacks get the blame. Flashing those lights like they're still in their prime. But the SUV's gone by snack break time. So if you're out there committing a crime, don't fret too much. Bob and Pat,
Hey, guess what, ladies? Your friend was driving a
you'll see
stolen
they're
car that you were
stopping
in.
for fudge-covered snacks on the spree. Cheesy wieners and SUVs, Bob and Pat patrol with ease.